Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. In today's episode, I will be telling you how to get immense flowers in blue pea or butterfly pea. This is also called Aparajita or Nilkant or Vishnukanta. This is the plant from Fabaceae family. This is also called Asian pigeoning, and they are the holy flowers and many of the holy activities. You can see this flower, and many of the gods and goddesses love this flower. I tell you some of the tips how you can get the best flowers and immense flowers from these plants. Many of the viewers ask me how to get many the flowers. This plant I have grown 1.5 months back, and the plant I got it around 1.5 feet tall, but now the plant is big one in 1.5 months only, and I'll share you the tips how you can get the immense flowers, beautiful flowers from there. Some 5 tips I'll tell you, and additionally 1 tips for getting the pots here. So first tip is the pot size and pot. You should take the terracotta pot or earthen pot that should be 8 to 10 inch diameter. This is the best pot for growing, and for in this pot you erect some of the stakes, and if you erect some stakes and tie some knots with strings with this vine, and if you want you can take this square sticks also. This square stick is also nice for growing, and if you want you can make some arch stakes here, trellis and stakes, arch stakes. You can see this is the reverse U type arch stakes, and if you grow this type of, and you will see that immense branching in this plant, and immense branching means lots and lots of flowers. So this is the first tip you must follow to get best results. And the second thing is the soil mixture. The soil mixture is very important. Soil should be very well drained, and the garden soil and compost around. You take a 40% compost and 60% garden soil would do, and that should be very well drained soil. If your soil is clay, then you can take 1 part of sand or river sand or bajri. So 1 part river sand, 1 part compost, 1 part garden soil would be the best soil mix, and that should be very well drained. And one thing I tell you, the soil should be always moist. Don't make it dry out. So if you dry out, then the flowers may not be grow well. So that should be very nice. And third tip is the direct sunlight is needed. 4 to 6 hours direct sunlight is must for getting the flower. At least 4 hours sunlight is needed for immense flowering in this plant Aparajita or this blue pea. And the fourth one is proper fertigation once in a month. Maybe vermicompost, cow dung compost, leaf mold compost. Take around 1 kilo or 2 kilo and dissolve it in water, soak it in water for 3 to 5 days, and take a liquid fertilizer around 100 to 200 ml of this liquid fertilizer once in a month is enough. Or if you want, you can directly 1 fistful or 2 fistful of powder, or this is the best fertilizer. If there is no flowering, then you can make special liquid fertilizer for boosting flowers. I am telling you the recipe for these kinds of fertilizer. They take around 200 gram of compost, any kind of leaf mold compost, vermicompost, cow dung compost. Take 5 gram of mustard cake powder around 5 gram, and in that mix around 5 gram of DAP. This is the chemical fertilizer. If you want to skip it, you can skip it also, and mix it well, and ferment it in water for mix it in water for 2 to 3 liters of water, and ferment it around for 5 days. And after 5 days you will see this kind of black color water. This is the mixture liquid fertilizer. Take around 100 to 150 ml of this liquid once in 10 days or 15 days or in 3 times in a month. And if you apply this fertilizer, I guarantee you that the plants will get the beautiful flowers. And if your plants are not getting any flowers, then you apply this 100 to 150 ml once in 10 days, and I guarantee you that you will get the flowers from these plants. This is the best thing. And the fifth thing is the pest control. Pest control is very necessary for these kinds of plants, though the plants do not attacked by many of the plants, but sometimes you have to take some measures. In that case, you apply 3 ml of neem oil powder mixed in 2 ml of shampoo and spray it once in a week. Or better is the apply neem based insecticide. Take around 3 ml of neem based insecticide, 1 liter of water, spray it once in a week, and there won't be any kind of pest attack. Or if at all there is a big pest attack, then you can apply imidacloprid insecticide. This is the any brand of imidacloprid, 1 ml per liter. If you apply spray on these plants once in 10 days or 15 days, there won't be any attack. But if there is no flower, then you can apply this Miraculon. This is the triacontrol liquid, around 1 ml per liter. If you mix it 1 ml per liter, this is the PGR. So if you apply 1 ml per liter and mix it and spray it once in 10 days or 15 days in this plant, the flower, they will boost your flower and there will be immense flower in this plant. If the regular flower is there, so you don't have to apply this PGR. And I recommend you, if there is no flower at all, then only you can spray these kinds of fertilizer. Though I don't apply this, and especially the soil mixture is very nice. The pot is earthen pot, there are stakes, and I regularly water the plants regularly. Every day I water the plants. The soil is always moist, and this is the all, and there are lots of flowers. If you still not getting flowers, then only you follow this. And one thing, additional tips I tell you, many of the viewers and subscribers complain about that in double variety they do not get the pots, these kinds of pots. And this is the seed pot, and after drying out there are some black colored seeds, and you can grow this in February, March. If you grow these seeds in 1 month time, the plants will grow and they will start flower in 1.5 months. And if there are lots of seed pods, you can remove the seed pods so that there will be immense flowering in your plants. But if there is not at all any seed pods is developing, many of the viewers complain about, then I'll tell you one trick, easy trick. Just take some of this hand pollination process. Just take some earbuds. These are the earbuds I show you. Take one earbud and just insert inside the flower, and round it here and rotate it inside, and all the pollens will stick on the buds here. And after rotating it, just repeat the same process in another flower. Insert this bud and inside and rotate it inside, and you see there will be pollination and there will be fertilization process. So this is the hand pollination or hand fertilization process, and in that way you do repeat the same process in every flower of your plant. And today I am doing this, and tomorrow also, or 2 to 3 days gap, again I will do the same process. And whatever the flowers you do the process in 1 week time, so 10 days, you will see the small pods are developing, and after 1 month you will see the beautiful pods are developing in your each and every flower. And this is the best possible process for getting the pods and getting the seeds from this, especially for this double variety of flowers of this blue pea or butterfly pea or Aparajita. So this is the process all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.